Hello guys, long time no see. I just making a quick life update. I come to Japan to experience and learn Japanese language for 1 year, and I'm doing my own survivor in Japan. And I made a residence card and phone number, and this time I will making a bank account, and there is a great offerings from the bank to me and someone who's gonna come here and making a bank account. So I'm gonna upload this video first, and then I will making a video and upload other videos. How before I come to Japan, I made some activities. After that, I was preparing to come to Japan and doing this whole hard process, like making a residence card and living in Japan without a home about 1 month. For 1 month, I was a homeless. It was pretty shit. Yeah, I'm gonna upload those contents, and now I got offers from Revolut Bank to invite friends or invite someone else to have a referral code. And yeah, you don't need to make one, but if there is someone who wanna get money to like opening a bank account in Japan, when they first come, we don't have other choice. Revolut Bank offers really quick and easy steps. So I wanna upload this video first, and then I will make videos and upload others. It's similar like prequel of the movie. I make a main movie first, and then so how does this happens? Today I want to show you making a bank account in Japan. I've been to some Japanese banks, but they require me have to live over 6 months. But I have to have a bank account to do transactions and buy groceries and all those stuffs. So I searched on the internet and I found that Revolut Bank opens really quickly with residence card and phone number. So I'm gonna open my phone. So it just opened, and I will click the create account, and I have now Japanese phone number, so I'm gonna apply that. That will give me a code. They will send me a notifications, so I'm gonna enable it. So country of residence is now I'm Japan, and I have to enter my email address. After I have email address, I create my passport. I am not a Japanese national, so no. And I will enter my name in alphabet. And the date of birth comes out. And home address, postcode, and I have to type in the street address, street number, building name, and room number. And after my professional field, there comes out a citizenship. After my picking citizenship, I have to have a document to verify myself. I have residence permit card, so I will go with this. I have to access the camera to complete the ID document. Residence card in a frame. After taking a front photo, I have to check this whole box and continue. And I have to capture the thickness. I don't know why, but I have to do that. After that, another checkpoint. Turn the document around. After taking a backside, another checks. And I have to make a selfie. I had to tilt my head 3 times. And I guess it's about to finish. Right, they want to track my some activities, but I don't wanna not to track. I don't want to be tracked down. There are some more like metal plan and premium plan, but I don't need one. They can give me a physical card, but the delivery fee is from 500 yen. But you know, I have to get a card in here, so I'll get one. So if I make a design, it's 700 yen for another one, but I don't want to pay for my design. And I have to create my PIN number. And there are delivery in standard and express at least 2 weeks. So standard delivery is 500 yen, but express is 2000. I selected to pay standard delivery. It's just 3 or 4 days different, but fee was 4 times higher in express. Now I have a Japanese bank account. I made it. They are in process to verifying my identity, you can see here. But yeah, it's basically I made one. I got an email and I verified myself, so I could use this bank account fully open, and the physical card will deliver about like 2.5 weeks, but I have a digital card so that I can add it to like Apple Wallet or just tap into the kiosk so that I can use it. This was really simple and easy way to make a bank account in Japan right after you come here, because Japan Post Bank or any other banks requires you some certain amount of time in here, but Revolut doesn't require anything. So it's really easy and possible way to start, and then you can move to other bank, or later you can make another one. But at first I need easy way to make one, so I chose this one. But yeah, is there any way other options you recommend? Just give me a comment. How was the process? I will make a reference code below. So thank you for watching. Adios.